Hi, everybody.
Come on. Come on.
This is Macintosh.
Hi, Macintosh.
This is Fuji.
Hey,
Fuji.
Go see Michaela. Go see Michaela.
Hi, little guy. Hi, Fuji.
Hi, baby. Oh, purr.
Aww.
Pretty. Oh my goodness. What's
Oh, yeah, I
the
hope
one
he's
we had in
purring.
our garage this weekend?
Really? Oh, no,
Yeah,
like
one
Fuji likes to give kisses.
Someone's gonna climb.
Rub on your
Aww.
face.
Oh,
Look at
there's
that.
enough.
Look at that. Let's see what's happening over here. Look at this one. Hi, Macintosh. Hello.
So these two, there were 4 of them, and one day I walked into work, and outside of our front door was a 4 little orange kittens in it. But
Someone's making a break for it.
Hello, mister.
I would.
Oh, thank you.
Make a break for it, is that?
Look at that one.
I don't
So
mind
is Fuji a little more feisty than Macintosh?
Fuji is a little bit more like just outwardly loving, and
Oh, yes, you are. Look at that. Oh,
Macintosh it seems is just a little. Although he's doing really well here.
here.
In the
You
TV
first,
station.
then
He
you'll
was.
probably get careful.
There we go.
Oh, how cute.
There you are. Hey, buddies. Hi, guys. Hey. There we go.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, we missed the action shot. This is going to get a little nuts in here soon. Hey, buddy. Come here. Hi. Oh,
You left me.
there we go.
Oh, yes.
Action shot. There we are.
Someone's frisky now. Yeah.
Someone's saying hi.
See ya.
Someone is investigating your shoes.
Oh, you smell my kitties, don't you? Oh, hello. You want to come home with me?
Say, that'd be all right.
Oh,
I'd do
boy.
that.
I think Ernie'd eat you. Hi.
You'd protect me. Look at his face. You would protect me.
Oh,
Who's over here? Hey.
purring.
Hey. Don't make the big jump.
You are
Yeah.
just the loudest boy. Right there. Oh, my.
Hey, buddy. Yeah, I wouldn't sniff that seat too close. You know how many people sit in that?
Oh man.